I'm going to tell you how you can add low power mode in Control Center and then quickly turn it on when you want to save your battery life. For this, open Setting, swipe up and tap on Control Center. Now tap on Customize Controls. Now you can see here an option of low power mode. Tap on the plus icon to add this low power mode in your Control Center. Now you can see the low power mode is added in your Control Center. So when you want to save the battery life, just swipe up from the top corner of the screen on latest iPhones, or if you have old version of iPhone, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You can see the low power mode here, just simply tap on it. Now the low power mode is activated. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.